Hey guys, I just put together a DOS boot disk and I was able to set up the complete machine within a minute or two. So the idea is using a single floppy disk to install MS-DOS, have a boot menu where you can choose from the different memory configurations, a driver for your optical drive, a choice of 4 mouse drivers, and also using the Unisound project, a way to initialize your Sound Blaster. So let's dive straight into it. I will show you exactly how easy it is to install DOS with this boot disk. We just booted from the floppy. Let's have a look at all the files. There is a README file. Let's check it out. This briefly shows you what you need to do. The first step is we need to run fdisk, remove all the existing partitions, create a new one, and then reboot the machine. So let's run fdisk for display the partitions. We have a single partition already here. Escape, delete partition, delete primary partition. First one, label is DOS. Yes, done. Escape, create DOS partition, primary partition, maximum space, yes. And now we need to reboot the machine. Second step, run fdisk/mbr. fdisk/mbr is next. Third step, we need to format the drive and make it bootable with the format/s command. And now we can format the hard drive. Step number 4, run the install batch file. It will copy the DOS files, the drivers and the startup files. Reboot the machine. Install. And now we remove the floppy and reboot the machine. Now we can already see the boot menu. Let's go with expanded memory plus the CD-ROM driver. And the last step, we need to edit the AutoExec batch file to choose which mouse and sound card drivers we want to have. And the last step, we're gonna edit our AutoExec batch file. We have 4 mouse drivers here. Choose the one that you like. The reason I have 4 mouse drivers, sometimes there are compatibility issues with certain games. I'm gonna use the first one, the Qt mouse driver, and Unisound that will initialize the Sound Blaster. Let's reboot the machine. There you go. Expanded memory, CD-ROM driver, it will load the mouse driver, and here we've got the Sound Blaster. There you go guys, so that wasn't too difficult. Within a minute or two we had DOS installed with the operating system files, with the boot menu, the mouse, the optical drive, and also the Sound Blaster. And I've been playing a little bit of Alone in the Dark, having some fun with the retro PC. And yeah, I really hope it helps someone out there. I will stick it on our website. It's an image file. You need to write it onto a floppy disk. Link down below in the video description. And if you notice any glitches or any recommendations for improvements, yeah, share them. It's really easy for me to go back, make those changes and re-upload the file onto the website. And that's it for this one. Let me know what do you think. Share your memories of the DOS era. Did you have a boot disk? I know some games recommended creating a boot floppy to maximize the amount of conventional memory, but with this menu that shouldn't be really necessary. And yeah, I'll leave it at that. Thank you so much for watching, and I shall see you very soon with another one.